How to use a SNAP EBT card. Follow these simple steps. The SNAP EBT card is used to buy eligible food items through the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. It works like a debit card and is accepted at many grocery stores, farmers markets, and even online. To get started, make sure you've received your EBT card and PIN from your state SNAP office. If you haven't set up your PIN yet, follow the instructions that came with your card or call the number on the back to set it up. Now, when you're shopping in store, look for signs that say EBT accepted or ask a cashier. After choosing your eligible food items, head to checkout. Swipe or insert your EBT card at the payment terminal, then enter your 4-digit PIN to complete the purchase. Some items like household supplies, alcohol, or hot prepared food are not eligible for EBT, so the system will automatically separate those out. If you're shopping online with your SNAP EBT card like on Amazon, Walmart, or local grocery sites, select EBT as your payment method at checkout. You may need to enter your PIN during the process. Make sure your chosen retailer is approved for online EBT transactions in your state. You can also check your balance anytime by visiting your state EBT website, using the EBT mobile app if available in your state, or by calling the number on the back of your card. Remember, your balance reloads monthly, and unused funds will roll over. Thanks for watching.